Welcome back to Bruce Fixes Stuff. Restoring the General. It started out rough. With tools in hand, let's get right to it. We got a lot to do, but we're gonna get through it. Installing the engine, welding in floors, flag on the roof, 01 on the doors. Soon we'll be hearing that engine come alive. So like and subscribe, come along for the ride. The General Lee, it's more than a dream. We're bringing back the magic of this classic machine. Let's make it shine. Reupholstering seats, yeah, it's gonna be fine. The spirit of the Dukes is calling us near. Let's head to the boar's nest and have a cold beer. With Bruce guiding us, we'll never lose track. The General Lee is coming, there's no looking back.